you start any meeting, whether it's Zoom, face-to-face, with a group of people, right? 2 really great questions to ask. Hey, just out of curiosity, go through your understanding, but hey, just out of curiosity, all that being said, what motivated you guys to have this meeting today, right? Let's say it's an exploratory, they wanted to learn about your software, right? Or they wanted to learn about your billing solutions or your advertising. Just out of curiosity, what motivated you to want to talk to us about this? None of us ask questions like this because we're chicken, because our ego thinks that I'm going to ask a question of, I'm going to ask Art a question like, hey Art, what motivated you to talk about sales coaching? And Art's going to go, I don't know, some Jedi mind trick. You hypnotized me through your TikToks and I don't even know what I'm doing here. Nobody's going to say that, right? Hey Art, before we get started, what motivated you to want to talk about sales coaching? Man, let me tell you, Matt, here's what's going on with my team right now. I've got a fabulous team. I've hired 3 people. I want to keep them. The 2 of them are not hitting their commissions. 1 of them is completely blowing it out of the water. I don't know what the difference is. I need everybody to be more consistent. Cool, Art, when you say one of them's blowing out of the water, talk to me about what's going on there. Now you're having a great conversation. Unfortunately, we just start meetings with, hey, thanks for being here. Hope you guys, the weather's doing great. How about this weather, guys? Anybody see the big game last night? Go team. Right? Okay, let's get started. We've got everybody. Let's get started. I've got about 82 slides I'm going to run through today, so get your reading glasses and let's rock. That's not skillful, right? What motivated you to have this meeting today? Some of the times you're going to hear this. Yeah, I just really want to get the deal done, right? Is there any way we can skip? I've got 3 questions on the red line of your agreement. It was sent to me. If you can answer these 3 things, we're ready to go. We're ready to sign. Perfect. Let's rock, right? Now you're saving yourself a bunch of time, which brings me to my next question. Even if I've asked what's motivated you, the next question that I would like each and every one of you to ask before you start a meeting is this. What's the single most important thing that we need to accomplish? Hey Nancy, we've got 15 minutes slated here on the clock here. I want to make sure we make the most use of your time. What's the single most important thing that we need to accomplish during this time today? Right? I need to know about this, this, and this. Hey, Nancy, we've got 30 minutes scheduled here for the Zoom. I know high-level stuff. I've got some stuff that I want to cover, but again, want to be respectful of your time, Nancy. What's the single most important thing that we need to accomplish? I'm glad you asked, Matt. I've got a copy of your agreement. I've got a question on the user's licenses at eastonuniversity.com. We're thinking we want to upgrade to 100 people. If you could just answer these 2 things for me, we're ready to go. Cool. What are they? Right? Now you're saving yourself a bunch of time. And you're also being respectful. A lot more respectful than somebody that's going to take the first 7 minutes of a meeting talking about, is that a horse trophy there? Did you guys see the big game? How about this weather? We're not here to chit-chat. We're here to improve people's lives. We're here to solve their problems. We're here to make their lives better with our products, our solutions, our services with us. There's nothing wrong with you getting down to business, okay? It's not cold. It's not salesy. It's being professional. And professional sounds like this. Nancy, what motivated you to have this meeting today? Well, we need to improve our billing process. Got it. And what's the single most important thing that we need to cover during our 30 minutes together? Well, I need to know about this, this, and this, and how you guys handle split pays. Perfect. Got a note on that. Right? Now you're being skillful. Now you're being successful.
The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before, I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career is gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.